Before buying a car vacuum cleaner, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Not all vacuums are created equal, and finding the right one can feel overwhelming.
Product number 1, Black & Decker Advanced Clean. The Black & Decker Advanced Clean caught my eye right away with its sleek design and impressive cordless feature. Priced competitively, this vacuum is a top choice for money. If you want a vacuum that combines convenience with strong performance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 16V Max lithium-ion battery provides powerful suction, making it ideal for picking up dirt, pet hair, and debris from your car or home upholstery. The cyclonic action keeps dust away from the filter, ensuring consistent suction. Plus, the crevice tool allows you to access those hard-to-reach spots, like between your car seats. Now, some people complained about its dust capacity being a bit small at 605 milliliters. Here's the thing though, if you're cleaning your car frequently, this might not be a deal breaker. It's easy to empty, and for regular cleanups, it actually works quite well. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a lightweight, portable vacuum for everyday messes. Skip this one if you need something that can tackle larger debris in one go. It offers great value for money considering its durability and effectiveness.
Product number 2, Black & Decker Cordless Handheld Vacuum. Another Black & Decker model, the Dustbuster Cordless Handheld Vacuum. This one stood out to me for its lightweight design and wall mount for easy storage. It's also very affordable. If you're after a compact vacuum that's still powerful enough for quick cleanups, you should definitely check this one out. The high-powered suction on this vacuum makes cleaning up crumbs and dirt a breeze, whether in your car or around the house. It features a transparent bowl that lets you see when it needs emptying, which is super handy. The built-in crevice tool is perfect for tackling those tricky spaces, and the washable filter helps maintain suction over time. Some users reported that the suction could be stronger for heavier debris. However, I'll be real with you, for everyday messes, it still does a solid job. If you're just looking for something to quickly clean up small bits, this won't let you down. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, easy-to-use vacuum for quick tidying up. Skip this if you need something for heavy-duty cleaning. The price point makes it a great deal for its performance.
Product number 3, Bissell Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum. Let's talk about the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser. If you have pets, this vacuum is something you'll want to consider. It's designed specifically for pet owners and packs a punch in terms of cleaning power. If pet hair and dirt are your nemesis, this is worth a serious look. Equipped with a motorized brush tool, it effectively removes embedded pet hair and dirt from your car and upholstery. The 14V lithium-ion battery ensures you can clean without being tethered to a wall. Plus, it's bagless, which means less waste and easy emptying. It also comes with specialized tools for tackling all kinds of messes. However, some users mention that it can be a bit heavy for extended use. But honestly, the power and effectiveness in cleaning pet messes make it a worthy trade-off. For pet owners, this is a powerful tool that truly delivers. This is perfect for you if you have pets and need a vacuum that handles hair effortlessly. Skip this one if you're looking for something lighter and less specialized. It's definitely worth the price for pet owners.
Product number 4, Armor All AA255W Wet Dry Utility Vac. We have the Armor All AA255W Wet Dry Utility Vac. This is a unique option because it handles both wet and dry messes, which I found interesting. It's compact but packs significant power. If versatility is what you're after, this vacuum should be on your list. With 2 peak HP suction, it can quickly tackle spills, dirt, and debris from your car or garage. The 2.5-gallon tank is easy to transport, thanks to its lightweight design and wheels. It even converts to a blower for leaves or larger debris. Plus, it comes with 13 accessories, making it incredibly versatile. Some complaints mention that it can be a bit noisy during operation, but let's be real, for the power it offers, I think it's a fair trade-off. If you're dealing with varying types of messes, this vacuum can adapt to your needs. This is perfect for you if you want a vacuum that can handle diverse cleanup jobs. Skip this one if noise levels are a bit concerned for you. The range of features for the price is impressive.
Product number 5, Monozell Car Vacuum Portable Cordless. We have the Monozell Car Vacuum. I was intrigued by its dual functionality as both a vacuum and air duster. And at just $36.99, it's very affordable. If you want something compact that can do a bit of everything, this vacuum is a great find. Featuring a powerful 18,000 PA suction, it effectively picks up dirt and debris from your car. The 7,800 milliamp hour battery ensures you get plenty of runtime, and it charges quickly, which is a nice touch. The included accessories make it versatile for various surfaces and tasks, from inflating pools to cleaning tight spots. However, the dust capacity is relatively small, at only 0.26 liters, which might require frequent emptying for larger jobs. But honestly, for its price and versatility, it's a small trade-off for casual use. It's perfect for quick cleanups on the go. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly, portable vacuum for quick jobs. Skip this if you have extensive cleaning needs that require larger capacity. The value here is hard to beat. So to wrap it all up, we've covered some fantastic options. The Black & Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean, the Black & Decker Dustbuster Cordless, the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser, the Armor All Wet Dry Vac, and the Monozell Car Vacuum. Each one offers unique features for different needs, whether you're a pet owner, someone who wants versatility, or just need quick cleanups. Do your research, pick the one that fits your lifestyle, and keep your car clean.